Imagine a motorcycle that blurs the line between a production bike and a full-blown racing prototype. That's exactly what Aprilia has created with the Aprilia X250TH. A machine that doesn't just take inspiration from racing, it practically lives in the same world as MotoGP. This isn't your typical Superbike upgrade. Yes, it starts from the already extreme Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory, but almost everything has been pushed far beyond standard limits. At its heart is a 1,099 cubic centimeter V4 engine that now delivers an astonishing 240 horsepower. That kind of output places it in a completely different category, one that edges dangerously close to prototype racing machines. Combine that with a screaming top end above 14,000 revolutions per minute, and you get a bike that's built purely for adrenaline on the circuit. But power alone doesn't define this motorcycle. One of its most jaw-dropping features is the braking system. The X250TH uses carbon-carbon discs, a technology reserved almost exclusively for top-tier racing. These brakes only reach peak performance under intense heat, making them perfect for aggressive track riding, but completely unnecessary and even impractical for the street. And then there's the aerodynamics. Every surface of this bike is shaped with purpose. From its sharp winglets to its advanced fairing design, everything works together to generate downforce at high speeds. The result? More grip, better stability, and confidence when pushing into corners at insane velocities. The hardware backing it all up is just as serious. You'll find premium Öhlins racing suspension, ultra-light forged magnesium wheels, and full slick tires straight out of the racing world. This isn't a bike you casually ride. It's one you commit to. On the electronics side, Aprilia equips the X250TH with its sophisticated APX Racing ECU. This system allows riders to adjust nearly every aspect of the bike's behavior, from traction control to throttle mapping, giving a level of control that mirrors professional race setups. And then comes the part that makes it even more special: its rarity. Only 30 units of the Aprilia X250TH will ever exist. That instantly turns it into more than just a high-performance machine. It becomes a collector's dream. With a price tag around $150,000, it's clear that this bike is not meant for the average rider. Instead, it's a showcase, a statement of what happens when engineering is pushed to its absolute peak without compromise. So, in a world where superbikes are already incredibly fast, the Aprilia X250TH asks a different question. How close can you really get to riding a MotoGP machine?